We are in zone 8B, y'all. It's been raining. Look at my collard greens. They are suffering. Look at the ground. It's so dry. Super dry. You can't even drink with your hands. Look at all that. Look how, yo, look. Oh my goodness. It don't rain soon. My crops are gonna die. My corn, beans just came out. They need some more rain. It's so beautiful though. No rain. But look at the beans. Look at that. It's I don't even know what to say. But oh well. We're gonna have to wait for the rain to come. Yeah. The sorghum, corn, all suffering. All of it. All of it. Look at that. It's a sorghum. Planted them for the first time. We're just waiting on the rain. Some of them are just turning a color. I don't know if that is good, but a color.